This tutorial provides an overview of discharge and termination of contract. The obligations of a party to a contract may be discharged by performance, and a contract may be terminated by agreement, breach of contract, or frustration. Performance. A contracting party will be discharged from his contractual obligations under performance of those obligations. However, as held in Cutter and Powell, improper or partial performance will not suffice. A seller who contracts to sell goods of a certain description will not, therefore, be discharged from his contractual obligations if he fails to supply goods of that description. There are some exceptions. If one party fails to perform his obligations in full, any other contracting party may elect to accept that partial performance, such that the performing party is discharged from his obligations and entitled to claim any benefit which may accrue to him under the contract upon performance. The acceptance of partial performance must, however, be voluntary. A seller who contracts to sell goods of a certain description will, therefore, be discharged from his contractual obligations and entitled to payment if he supplies goods that do not match the contractual description, but which are nevertheless accepted by the buyer. In some